The Cosimo Luma Masterclasses are so much fun. This is where you really be able to immerse yourself in learning the UV light technique. In the Cosimo Luma Masterclass, I'm going to be going over how to properly install them so that they actually stay in your client's hair. I'm going to be going over how to remove them and aftercare. I'm also going to be going over how you can charge your clients appropriately for them and raise the revenue in your salon. We do offer the online tutorial when you purchase the Cosimo Luma kit, but in person is such a different experience. In person, you'll be able to ask any questions that you have. You'll be able to do everything hands-on, where you're really immersing yourself into the experience of knowing how to install the extensions. And it's a fun community. We get together, we get to, laugh about fun experiences in the salon. We get to go over a lot of different things on how to install, how to remove. And the most important is everybody wants to know how to charge for these extensions. So I do a real great breakdown model so that you can fully understand the best way to charge your client and the best way that you can make more money behind the chair. I feel like the Luma community has grown so much through the master classes. It's a lot of fun when you're in a class and you're getting to collaborate with other stylists on different ideas and techniques. And that's what the Luma master classes are all about. After experiencing the Cosimo Luma masterclass, you'll walk away with full hands-on experience, a full understanding of how to charge your clients, and you'll also walk away with a certificate to show off that you've completed the masterclass. My vision for Cosimo Luma is to not only follow through every state in the United States, but I'm also excited to start going international. We're getting so many people that are interested in different countries, Brazil, France, Germany, and I'm excited to bring that to you guys as well. I'm so excited for what's ahead for Cosimo Luma and the UV Light Masterclasses. I can't wait to bring this to a city near you.